If you are getting married after 30s and you are unable to produce the baby or all these things,
So we are not discussing about the
society pressure.
We are not able to discuss.
Will be there. Exactly.
We are not able.
They don't have time for family. They don't have time for in late parents.
And because of the early age, the ratio of the growth of population is increasing.
You are not earning. How will you manage after marriage?
Brother, you are here because your parents are complete. That is why you are here. Without incomplete.
Alright, Namaste and Jai Hind everybody. How are you doing? Well, after sleeping in the noon, we are back. I know this topic is really, what can I say, unacceptable in this society. But we, the people of India, have to talk about this topic. Well, today's topic is all about child marriage should be banned in India or not. Well, it is already banned. A child should not marry and we cannot make them marry, right? But the concern is that, like I told yesterday itself, that earlier people used to live more than 100 years. They used to get married at the age of 16 and 15. Now we, the people of India, live 40 years and 50 years and we are getting married after 35. That's so painful, that is so doleful, that is so mournful. So here we are going to talk why child should be married before the age or when they are children. These people are saying that a child marriage should be banned. Child should not be married. Means children can get married, right? Yes, we should let them marry, right? So what should I consider you? You are children or you are adult? You're adolescent. How many babies do you have? You know very well, Alina Demina. You don't know about yourself. Yes. How old were you when you were born?
21.
You should listen. I said, how old were you when you were born? You don't know? This question is really not askable. Right? How old were you when you were born? You were just, I think, zero. It's not even one day actually, right? By the way, so you people saying that child marriage should be banned, right? Who is initiator of this group? May I know, please? You yourself? Lucky. We are lucky to have Lucky here. So Lucky is going to initiate the talks. Please, Lucky, the time is yours. Listen to Lucky, everybody. Listen to Lucky.
Thank you, Capsule, for giving me this chance to express my view about early marriage. You can grow together, you can evolve together. My other point is easier adaptability. As you become older,
After the marriage, there's the more and more responsibility. Because of that, they are not able to, and they have to force to face the responsibilities that in the family. And because of that, one statement that in the world, that after getting married, one bride is going to marry in early age. It means the world is losing one successful scientist, one successful political leader, one successful. Yes, that's the statement also. And in the India, lots of like 40% of the child marriage is going on, and world's highest ratio. That's according to the UN report, and that's why that's the impact in the slower economic growth.
You're making other statements, right? She was talking about growing together. He or she can become scientist after getting married.
yes, you can study together after getting married.
40% of the marriage is going on in India, and why the all people are not becoming the scientist with together?
Sir, marriage is...
Why not? We have
Sir,
example. Barack Obama, Michelle Obama. You can take
Yes.
example, right?
Break Obama. That's not example of
marriage is-
the India. We are discussing about the India.
Marriage is all about companionship and togetherness. Willing to live together.
Take inspiration by Barack Obama, right?
Yes, sir.
We are living in the India.
They were in relationship
If
with
another
children.
if another country is growing, that's not matter. We have to discuss about our country. We should take the inspiration for.
It is manipulation. Any other?
Not manipulation.
Of course, yes.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
And thank you, sir, for having me this chance. Miss Lucky was trying to say growing together.
थोड़ा खुल के बोलो, yes.
Yes, I want to say growing together in the basis of at the age of 14-year boys, at the age of 14-year girls cannot grow together because they have their own rights, they have their own emotions. They cannot, even though we have seen at the age of 40 we are fighting to each other, this is mine, they are fighting to each other. How can they grow?
We are fighting
Or
together.
it is not a joke, this is a marriage. This is a big responsibility of life.
If you are willing to live together, if you are willing to live together, if you have a trust, there is no
Trust is
problem. If you
another
are
thing.
fighting to each
Trust-
other, it helps
Ma'am,
to create a
ma'am,
strong emotional bond.
Ma'am, first of all, trusting another thing. I am talking about the childish label. I am at the age of 40. We have seen they are not acceptable. When we are forcing that thing, it is right. Then they are ready to accept it is right. Sir,
There are many boys, they are alone. If they get married, they will have a partner. They will have motivation. She will always uplift him. She will always motivate him. Hey, Babu, go for it. You can do it. Of course. A boy will have motivation. He will not feel lonely. Look at me. Look at these boys. They are feeling lonely actually.
Both will be
Already
more
40%
responsible.
40% child marriage is happening in India. Why they are not growing? The population is
growing, man.
why? That's negative impact in the very slow impact on the growth, and in the early age she is not able to adopt the child. And what about that pain that in the early age she face lots of the pain and all. She faces lots
She
of
also
pain and
face
all.
in late marriage, in childbirth.
But in the early age,
they don't have time for family. They don't have time for in late marriage.
and because of the early age, the ratio of the growth of population is increasing. That's
this pain, man, infertility, everybody taunts her that you're not giving birth
Yes.
to a baby. What about this pain, man? Will you tolerate this?
Sir, because of the early marriage, the population is growing. That's the very in the present time. What you think that the population, the rate of the population is increasing or decreasing?
The child
Both-
marriage is not
sir,
the reason,
sir,
man. What are
sir,
you talking about?
That's the
both-
damn reason, sir.
Sir, both
In the,
are-
I want to ask one question at the present time.
First of all, population. What is the reason behind increment of
Sir,
the
Sir,
population?
both.
That is the early child marriage. Yes, child marriage.
both-
Sir, I want to ask one question.
You don't deserve to talk.
Sir,
I want to ask one question that
I want to-
in the present time, the rate of the population is increasing or decreasing?
Why? Because of child marriage.
No, sir.
Because of child marriage.
Sir, please listen my question.
Yes.
The rate of the population at present time increasing or decreasing? Increasing. The rate of the population is increasing or decreasing?
Only
The
because of
rate of the
child
population
marriage.
is decreasing,
No,
sir.
No,
But the
sir.
population is growing. Population is growing, but rate of the population is decreasing at the present time.
Listen to me,
In the
listen to me.
1960, in the 1970, the rate was very highly.
Arey, who are you to say that child marriage is the main reason, man?
Sir, at the earlier time, the child marriage was happening. The ratio of the rate of the increasing that 6.4. Sir,
बहुत अच्छे.
Sir,
एक ब्राइड के
Sir,
एक ब्राइड के
listen to me.
6 या 7 या 8 बच्चे होते हैं 1970.
Sir,
No, sir.
Sir, both.
Yes, that's the reason of the awareness. That's why the where is the
Uncle was also unaware, man.
Sir,
sir that awareness reason that in the present time the ratio of the child marriage is decreasing. That in Rajasthan there's the lots of the
बात राजस्थान की यहाँ करी.
sir,
lots of the news that was expressed by the any news reporter and the another organization that really the education is increasing, the awareness is increasing, and the ratio of the decreasing of the child marriage at the present time. That's why the rate of the increasing, but 2.4 per parents and per pride.
Completely denying.
Sir,
No, sir.
couples have more time for family planning also. They can plan the family.
In the age of 12, 13, 14.
They are.
So what's the reason? What's the reason to get married?
If you willing to live,
We are
together,
getting children is getting married in the age 20, 13,
And
and
she has already mentioned.
Marriage is not-
She's gonna be motivation for him, man. He can achieve whatever he wants. He can reach to the other planet as well.
sir, they are abolishing, they are destroying their life. That's not the reason to grow.
So basically, the funda is child marriage was never an issue. The main idea was the lack of awareness, lack of education, lack of medical
That's why we are
checkups and
supporting.
facility.
That's why we are supporting. We are addressing that
You are
because
just
of the
saying-
child
you
marriage.
are just
Because
saying
of the
that
child
just
marriage, they are
completely
not
bad.
able to get education. That's why they are deprived.
Education is neither related to child marriage. Should be the regulation should be passed that
Education neither related to child marriage. Because
I'm
of
just saying-
after the getting married, there are
I'm
lots of the responsibility of the family. That's why they are not able to.
banning the child marriage does not guarantee that education will be provided to all. Proper regulations.
Yes,
should
at
be
the
made.
present time we can show the data. At present time, the ratio of the education
Proper
awareness is
regulations,
increasing.
Proper educational
And the-
reforms and
in the
regulations
comparison
should
to
be made
1960,
compulsory.
in the comparison to 1960, 70s, there was the
Listen to me.
rate of the population.
If anyone and two people are getting married at the age of 16 and 18, if there is a legal reform in the country for education that education must be provided to all, then after marriage they will continue their
They
education.
are not able to. There are lots of responsibility. Yaar. Please
And
understand.
one more thing, when the child marriage were going on, the parental consent was the main thing at that time. So parents were there to support
And
whenever
after-
any problems were
and
going
in
on.
the-
And with that, the bond that were formed with the parent, the in-laws and the upcoming bride and all these things. And plus
What type of bond you are discussing about? In the early age, they are not able to tackle. She is not able to.
Now
she is
let's-
not able to handle
if
the household activity. She feel mental disorder, mental trauma, and these type of things. She face lots
if
of.
for a moment I agree that child marriage should be banned. Now if you are talking that child marriage should be banned and the marriages that are going on nowadays are very better.
If child marriage will be decreased, the education, the awareness, they will get the
Now-
opportunity.
okay, now-
Education awareness is for all. It's
Exactly,
not for child.
exactly.
Sir, after that,
Okay.
after getting
Before
married,
some time you
after,
said that it
sir,
has decreased. Why? Because of our education.
That's
reform.
what
What
I have.
decreased?
That's what I
what
have-
decreased?
The population.
The population.
The rate of the
And
population
even-
decreased. So that's why, because of the
Giving
awareness,
birth, giving birth. The population of giving birth.
because of the awareness,
Because of awareness,
Rate
because
of the-
education.
because of-
So education is for all. It's not about
Exactly.
child.
sir,
It's
they
not
are
about the
not
child.
able to get. Sir,
And
after the
if
getting
you
married,
if you are
sir,
promoting
after the
education, because of education, a child will be aware. He will not give birth to many babies, man.
No, sir,
Try to
after-
understand that.
so what's the reason of the getting married?
Are you getting
If
married? is
if
not
they
to
are
have baby, man.
so they are not.
What is the matter of
If she,
getting married?
if the girl child is not, if the girl child is
You
not
are- you
adopting
are-
the
you have
baby,
just
He will get married for baby.
Exactly, sir. That's what he is saying.
sir,
Dhanya ho, dhanya ho. You will
sir,
get married.
that's the simple thing, sir. That's why the people.
No.
Sir,
Exactly.
if
Marriage
sir, that is the family stigma. After the getting married in the 4 and 5,
After 10 years, 20 years, you can get a baby.
sir, that's the family stigma. There's lots of pressure on the girl. That's you are not adopting a child, and she's the social stigma. She's not able to adopt the child. It means so lots of pressure and all.
Maybe you see in the society. I want to
Society pressure.
That's also
mental
the
disorder. She
that's
feel
also
mental
the case
disorder
of
in any time.
late marriage scenarios. Na? If you are getting married after 30s and you are unable to produce the baby or all these things.
So we are not discussing about the after 30. We are not able. We are not able to discuss.
will be there.
That's what mentioned fertility issue.
Exactly.
We are not able.
And one more thing.
We are not
one more
supporting
thing.
the after
Society
30.
will also
We are
say-
not supporting after
society,
30.
Society will also say
That's
you
the-
have married so
there is
late.
the
But what
governmental-
kind of bride you have found?
There is the governmental deadline that in the for the girl at age of the 18 and for the boys age of the 21. That's the enough for the any type of boys and student boys and girls they can get married, and that's the fix and
Sir, nobody gets
sufficient age.
married at 21. Very rarely.
Exactly.
People nowadays get married after 35.
So that sir, no sir,
Everything is
that's
not
according to your situation, and that people that want to do something in their better life, so they got married they get married after the 30 and 35 also. That Khan sir, we can example. You also want to get married after 30 and 35. That any person want to do something.
For 15 years.
Yes sir, any person that want, sir, any person.
In my next birth, I will get married. Then I will be.
Sir, any person that want to do something big in their life, that's the reason that want to. Why you?
Because of my wife, I can do something big, man.
Exactly.
Exactly.
So why you not got married?
I couldn't do big because of I did not have baby.
Sir, you want to do something in your life. That's why you are not getting.
wish I could
You
have
are
had
not.
baby.
You not want to face any type of difficulty, any type of disorder.
Financial issue was there.
Financial issue after getting married. That's why they're not able to get education.
Look at Shah Rukh Khan. Look at Shah Rukh Khan. One of the most successful. Are they were in relationship man when they were 15 years old?
Everyone is not Shah Rukh Khan, sir.
Shahrukh Khan was in relationship.
Sir, we are not talking about Shah Rukh
The
Khan.
power of
No,
relationship
sir.
other problem.
You are not listening, sir.
Understand? Chip कर देता है. Hiding everything is
Exactly.
powerful. If that is openly, how much that will be powerful?
Sir, even
In
if
the
you are-
relationship, there
if
is
you
the
are
not
saying-
pressure. There is the not pressure of the family that a person is like in the same way. But after getting married, there is
if
lots
you
of
are
pressure.
okay, if you are okay with hidden
And
relationship,
family spend
then
lots
what's
of
the-
money.
Then what's the problem if you are getting proper regulation
After
and getting
the
married? the problem
after the getting married,
let
lots
me-
of people,
Okay, I have just
parents
I have
spend
just
lots
two
of
more
money.
questions. If you are okay with child marriage, and now basically you are saying that you are okay with hidden relationships. So if the family does not agree to that, what kind of situation will arise? The elopement, bhag jana, and also the problem of premarital relationship, that like people are in relationship and
want
after
to
getting
say-
the marriages.
in my
like
point-
recent
in
the
my
case-
point that
the
I
case
want
of
to-
Raja
in my-
Raghuvanshi. Recent the case of Raja Raghuvanshi.
In my point,
How can you guarantee if you are getting
listen,
late and you are okay with all these relationships, the hidden relationships and
in my
and all
point
these
that
things?
I want to ask that Miss
He
Lucky.
is making me emotional now.
No, sir. That in my opinion, that I want to say that Miss Lucky told that we can grow together. So in the hidden relationship that you want to grow, so you can grow. But after the family, sir, after the family, sir, after the,
You need to say sorry to the nation.
sir, after the getting married, that the parents spend lots of money. That's after that lots of responsibility to spend to take over. Sir, that's why there are more responsibility. But before in the relationship, there's not huge.
You are saying that okay with hidden relationships like
that is
over
so
the years,
dangerous.
But that's not more, sir, enough that we want to live.
If you get arranged marriage, you will come to know your wife is committed with somebody else.
So that is the another aspect that
What is the-
can be
that's the
anything.
main aspect.
So be a baby, be immature and get married. Nobody
Exactly.
will, hunt your baby.
The best benefit of child marriage is the solution of the premarital relationship. There will be no problem at all. And the elopement.
I am
Just-
not discussing about the marital and
I am just
relationship and all.
I am just
I
giving
am
the
just
points of
discussing
child
about
marriage.
for the growing that Miss Lucky told that we can grow together.
The next person, please.
First of all, we should know about what is marriage. We are thinking that marriage means to give birth to children, but it's not. It's not a point. Marriage means, and every single individual in this world is incomplete until he gets married. Even yes.
What a great motivation. Could you play again, please? Music.
Sir, even it is girl or boy, when he gets married after he becomes complete, and the marriage means to live a successful life, to live a good life, peaceful life. And the second thing is nowadays in the age of teenage or the age of when we are in the age of studying, the time of studying, we are getting diverted from one side to another side. You are seeking premarital affairs or bad affairs, and it should we should promote it to get married in the early. So this is a one type of journey. The journey, the early you start the journey, the more you become successful in your life. And yes, nowadays, yes, sir, people are the students are people are becoming depression. They are getting in depression. You know, after getting a lot late marriage, because of late marriage, people are becoming depressed because they are not able to get birth.
Wait for a while.
They are not able to get birth of child. So that is my point.
Now, please don't worry. After his opinion.
I want clear one point.
Yes.
They were talking about the education. At the age of 40, we have study reproductive.
Reproductive. No, reproductive.
system. Reproductive system. What is a reproductive system?
Yes.
And they were talking about at the age of 40 we can manage. Sir, I mean.
40? Who said 40?
14.
14.
14. At the age of 14. Sir, we have seen at our homes at the age of 14. People are fighting to each other. They don't have.
Sir,
emotions,
that
sir.
book is very old. Now the new
Not
book,
that book is
new book should be
very-
written.
No, sir.
New book should be written, right? According to the life expectancy.
You was talking about we are incomplete without marriage. Without marriage, and you are taking money with your parents. You are not earning. How will you manage after marriage?
Brother, you are here because your parents are complete. That is why you are here. Without incomplete, you are not here. Sir, this is a natural law. Sir, this is a natural law. This is a natural.
He will also be complete. Exactly. He will. So why are you letting him complete before the age? His father was complete after I think 35 years, right? Maybe 25 years, right? He was not a child.
Maybe 19 years, sir. Maybe he
No,
doesn't
nothing
know.
can be said, right? He was not there, right? Only Kamaldeep can know about it. By the way, yes. Yes, guys, come on. He wants everyone to be with somebody. He doesn't want everyone to be alone, right? How caring he is, guys. How caring he is.
Then why you are?
He has double wife, man.
No, sir. I don't believe. I don't believe.
By dream he has.
Sir, by dream, everyone has, sir.
It means you want to have.
At the age of.
Don't be shy. I mean, yeah, tell me why. Guys, नार्को टेस्ट होना चाहिए इनके ऊपर. नार्को टेस्ट होना चाहिए.
Yes, women's socialist techno भी हो सकता है. That's family pressure that why you are not.
She mentioned about infertility as well. Maybe if you are getting married after 45 years, then you will not have baby at that time.
We are
Then
not supporting the after getting. By the way, he was crying.
really,
Sir, according to me, child marriage should not be banned, because if I am success in earlier age,
Yes.
like a Vaibhav Survanshi, he is very talented and
Yes.
he have a lot of money. He have a financial.
he has.
He has a financial. In financial is very strong. What about that person, sir?
And where is Fagunia after Vaibhav
So,
Survanshi?
that's why because of Modi ji he not got married
Oh,
because of Modi, because of law.
मोदी जी बताइए. मोदी जी से
Modi
ji, make me marry.
Support also Vaibhav Survanshi like
नहीं,
that
make
person.
अपने लिए बोलिए पहले. Make me marry with boy. Oh, sorry. Make me marry with a girl. By the way, so you are trying to say that Vaibhav Survanshi is very successful.
Yes, sir.
But he is not able to get married because of this law.
Yes, sir.
Right? Yeah, he's right, of course. तो एक पॉइंट कब से लेके बैठे थे?
No, sir, I have lot
Any
of
other
points.
point? हाँ, share then.
Just like if the child is born like a child is 5-year-old.
Okay.
Everyone get
A child is born is 5 years old?
No,
What do you
no,
mean?
sir. Born
Excuse me?
after 5 year.
Oh.
After 5 year, he get admission in school.
हाँ.
And teacher told us about educations.
Okay.
If I get I give the education about marriage in earlier age. What his education of what his
What about
knowledge?
his? What about his?
His knowledge after 10 years or after 20 years. You can.
Or he
amazing.
will be more mature than you are. He will be more mature, no?
Yes.
Because the time teaches everything.
Yes, sir.
So,
But sir, if
acha, I understood.
Yes, sir.
He is trying to say, है ना? Exactly, of course, right. The experience you will take after 35 years, he will take before 5 years and before 7 years. बहुत अच्छे, very nice. नहीं, I really comply with you. So, I mean, we are now 25 plus. So, should we commit suicide tonight?
maybe, sir.
Maybe.
Commit suicide, sir. They all are.
No, I'm thinking about you actually.
Waiting for you.
I'm worried.
They are supporting after marriage, but they are supporting early marriage.
No, I mean, you guys are thinking about infertility and all, right? Late marriage. Excuse me. What do you want to handle first of all? Tell me.
First of all, education and lack of financial issues.
It is manageable. It is manageable. You are saying that we cannot handle education. What is education, sir?
Education means, sir, ki like grow ourselves, skills,
So
each
who's
and
binding
everything.
them? Who's bound? Who is limiting them? Nobody. if a wife at the age of 7 years, if a wife goes holding hand to the school, how good it is. You should, exactly. You should feel proud.
Oh,
you know?
sir, that time more responsibility, na?
What kind of again? You're talking about responsibility.
Sir, it's after becoming something, her.
Okay.
Like many cases happening in this.
Why? Because they are not married, sir.
No, sir.
He was talking about premarital affair.
Sir, like Jyoti Moria also he.
Because of premarital affair.
No, sir, Jyoti Moria also become something na that.
Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry. Right. Yes.
After, sir, also first of all, Jyoti Moria also get married. Then after he become something. Then after he get.
Sir, nowadays we are becoming separate from our parents, from our society. How can we share our?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes.
Sir, if you have someone in your home to learn you, to listen you, then you can share each and everything. And sir, responsibility. Sir, responsibility makes us strong. Our responsibility makes us strong. The more you are responsible, the more you become successful.
Yes.
Responsibility means not, sir, we are responsible we distract us.
Yes.
So we are here because of responsibility. Of our responsibility.
Everyone has privacy with wife also.
Yeah.
We can't share all the things with.
No, only one person by which you can.
Yeah.
Sir, only one person by which you can share your each and everything.
Wife is only the one that you can share with.
Only one. Yes.
Exactly. If you have some personal issue, you will share with your dada.
Only with your wife.
Only for to share the information that you are facing, what type of.
Arey
So
na-
you are getting
It
married.
is not only
Only for
listen,
share.
listen, brother. In this
Only
world,
for sir, I discussed. I told that because of the if I got married and after 6 and 7 years she doesn't adopt and boys and child like so there is this social stigma of for that girl that not adopting. That's why I told for the child and only for the share your information that all the difficulties you are facing now for the sharing for 1 month like 1 hour 10 minutes you are getting married.
it is not only sharing. Do you know in the history, sir?
Life is all about being loved.
Love.
Yes, sir. If in the early age that a person want to get success, after the getting success, after the financially free, he can assume that what type of life that he want to live with the financial stability, and he can also provide lots of facility to the parents and all. For the sharing, we can share our thoughts, our feelings with our parents. That's a more connection. Sir, only for the girls that we listen with, we saw and all. After that, there are lots of attraction and all. Only that we can share our difficulties and all with our parents and all.
Sir, one thing.
Everyone, one of the most
Sir.
emotional points. And
Sir.
get ready to cry, please.
Sir, it is not only about share your thoughts and other things. Sir, life is just understanding. If no one understands you, if no one understands you, no, they will understand you. But if
Kailash, listen to him.
if no one understands that you have in your inside, yes,
No, he's absolutely right. No, it's not about Nibi. No.
you are becoming depressed. If you are not saying your thoughts to anyone, share with anyone, it is happening. Sir,
You
there-
know-
in the history,
Till the age that you are not engaged with any girl.
Alright.
That age, or your parents supported you. And
Brother.
after that you are engaged with
Why are they
digital-
supporting?
these are digital-
Why are they supporting? One of the harsh realities, guys, you need to understand here. Many girls are studying. Why? So that they could get a good husband. Kasam se. That's good for her. Sir, if you stop it, the girls will not study because of getting husband. Girls will study because of achieving something. Girls will study because of getting some name and fame. Nowadays, if you do survey, why are you doing MBA? So that I could get good husband. What kind of mentality it is? What kind of mentality it is? Yes, it is. If, after getting married, she will have only one motivation.
They are satisfied. The husband is also satisfied. The wife is also satisfied. They does not want to do anything in their life, but they are not getting married. They are not married. They think that what to do anything, what to do something in their life, and after that they will get married and they will achieve
the dream life.
Absolutely
They'll be
right.
able to live dream life coming to you. Yes, no problem.
Good
You are
evening, sir.
always in the last.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
And good evening, my panelists. And safety. Safety. Every parents are worried about his child. In India, lot of cases happen like Nirvaya case. In Kolkata, like women's in hospital, lot of cases happen. And they are worried about her children. Like their age.
After that, he will try to improve their.
No, actually, that point you happen negative thinking. Actually, that time you thinking negative thing for him, for her. And lot of cases happen like rape case and like murder because lot of cases happen in India.
Basically nowadays the maturity children are getting mature at very early stages. So the reforms that were made at that time were okay, but now as the life expectancies are decreasing day by day, and small children at the age of 8 or 10 are getting mature and getting to know all these things that even we were not able to understand at that stage. So yeah, I think there might be a chance that amendment should be done. And but for that amendment should be done, the basic criteria should not be the age, because maturity can't be described with the age. We can find people who are, I think, more than 25 or 30 years old, but their thinking is still childish, or they don't take the proper decision.
Exactly.
And in spite, there are some people who are at the age of 16 or 14 and they are very mature, they are very responsible.
Exactly.
So it depends from person to person.
Sometimes
what
we
sides
get
are.
to see that a boy who is 35 years old, he is also like childish,
Exactly, sir.
right? But it is just because of nourishment, malnourishment maybe, right?
So there might be very lot of cases, like if a child is totally kept in his house,
Or parenting.
or parenting, like over parenting, like the mother and father don't want their child to get in the outside world.
Exactly.
So
It does happen.
when that
It
children,
happens, with him as well.
but so after basically they allowed after schooling, if the parenting are over, then they will allow their children to go to college by becoming day scholar from their house as well. So that kind of people, when they will get at any age, they will have to step out in the society.
A mother comes in morning bash, she is like Manshi, and she goes every day at CMS to receive his son, to receive his, to drop his son and to receive his son, and the son is studying in 12th standard, right? Now you can understand.
So-
a mother is going to
So
drop him.
that child's maturity can't be described by age.
Of course. I mean, I feel so sorry for her. Why does she
So
do that?
that's why I say the amendment should be made, but that not be on the basis of age.
Exactly. All right, everybody.